Hi guys, so if you've watched my previous video, so now I'm gonna teach you how to use the Lyft driver app. It's pretty easy and convenient. So once you get started, I'm gonna teach you how to navigate it and how to use it for your convenience. So if you press this one, this is a turn on and off. So if it's turned on, and then you're good to go for Lyft, and you're waiting for a passenger to request a ride and you turn it off, you're done. You're gonna go home, go to your work. So this is the driver's turn on and off. And then if you're looking for a rides where you can see a lot of ride requests, or you're looking for a busy area, so you just navigate the map. Then if you can see this color here, and then that's the maps indicates that there are more rides in this area. So if you don't know where, if this one, the circle one, is where you just press it, and if you press it, it will go head back to where you at. So if you zoom out and then you navigate that spot, so if you just want to go there, you just hold it, that's place, and then you press navigate. So if you navigate it, and then you can go there easy, because I'm using the Waze apps. So if I'm navigating it, it will go directly to with my Lyft driver
Let's take
mode.
I-90 east. In 300 feet, turn right on Hillcrest Boulevard.
And then they have options that you can use a Google Maps, Lyft powered by Google Maps, or you can use the Waze. So now I'm using the Waze. So it's important that you download the maps that I have. So you download these maps, the Waze, and then after you download it, you put it here in driver settings, and in driver settings you can see maps, and then the navigation at the driver settings, and then you change the navigation mode from Google or Lyft powered by Google. You can change it to Waze. So now I'm using Waze. So every time I accepted a ride, it redirect to my Waze maps. So there are, you can click it here, and you can check the navigation. So once you're in navigation, you can switch the navigation to Waze, or you can see the Lyft navigation built by Google Maps, and Waze. So what I did is I used the Waze because I'm using it for a very long time, and I love using it because like it, wherever I go, it finds me pretty easy using it. It's super friendly, so I like using it. So that's why I use it. And then after, you're gonna go to the home button. So and then I'm gonna do it again. So if you wanna look for a place where there's a lot of ride requests, you just zoom in and out the maps, and then you can see in the downtown that there's a lot of ride requests. You just tap it there and you navigate it, and then it will go
Let's
directly
take I-90
to,
east. In 300 feet,
it
turn
will
right
go
on
directly
Hillcrest
to
Boulevard.
that place. And then once you're in the Waze maps, if you tap it here, you will know all the turns that you need to go, and you can see all these places that you need to go, and that's it. And if you want to center it like that, and you can find a lot of routes. So options, and you can see the toll, if how many minutes it gonna take if you use this one, and if how many minutes it's gonna take if you use. There's a lot of options because sometimes there's traffic and you need to reroute, and so for you to go faster you just click it here at the time and then the routes, and then you can see it there, all your options. It's pretty easy and convenient, so you don't need to uh, check all the turns if you're getting used to it doing it like that. And if you want to share your experience, like in that area there's a crash, traffic, heavy traffic, and if you really pay attention of those hazard roads and construction or closure, or like a speed camera or roadside help, you can use this apps, and it can give feedback and Waze will appreciate it, and it can give you alerts. Other drivers do that too, so you're gonna get informed if there is a crash, a heavy traffic, or a hazard road condition, or a closure, or anybody that is needing for a roadside help. So that's pretty easy and convenient for you to use while using the Lyft map apps, driver apps. So if you want to close this one, you can see an X button here, or you can just tap it here. So wherever you are in the map, and if you want to see where you at, just click this one and the center one, and it go directly redirect where you at. And they have this promos here that you're gonna earn 120 for 15 rides. It's 120 earning guaranteed. So it's pretty easy and convenient when when you really want to drive, and it's really good for part-time or full-time job, and it's very rewarding. And if you like driving and this is what you really want, and I assure you that you will be happy and satisfied doing it. So as you can see here, the earnings, home, updates and details, and settings, and as I said earlier, don't share your private documents and info to anybody or passengers, because to maintain your privacy as a driver. So if you click home and the car logo, and you want to go start driving, you just press that button and then you're good to go and you can drive. That's what you can see it here, the filter rides. If you want to head somewhere and you want to close it, you just close it. And also this one here is a emergency assistance. So if you need emergency help, or you just click it there, and if you turn it off, it means you're not accepting ride anymore. So thank you for watching, and if you need more questions, maybe I can answer it in my previous video or in my next video. Please watch it, because I got a lot of stuff that I explained in my previous video, and I will assure you that you can learn more with those. Thank you.